Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? I'm back with another tech myth ready to be debunked, so let's get right into it. Today's hot topic, the age-old question, is Bluetooth always draining your battery? Does keeping it on constantly impact your phone's performance? I get this question all the time from friends, family, and viewers alike, so let's set the record straight once and for all. Alright, so back in the day, think early smartphones, the dawn of the mobile internet era. Bluetooth was, without a doubt, kind of a battery killer. You'd leave it on, and your phone would constantly search for devices, like a digital bloodhound on the hunt. That meant a noticeable and significant hit to your battery life. But honestly, that was over a decade ago, ancient history in the tech world. Fast forward to now, to the present day, and things have changed a lot. Technology has leaped forward in incredible ways. Most modern phones use something called Bluetooth Low Energy, a game changer in wireless technology, or BLE. It's right there in the name Low Energy. It's designed to be incredibly efficient. BLE only kicks in when you actually need it, when you're actively using a Bluetooth connection, like connecting to your wireless headphones for your daily commute or pairing with a smartwatch to track your fitness. The rest of the time, when it's not actively in use, it just sits quietly in the background, sipping a tiny bit of power. It's like a phone ninja, silent and energy conscious. Real talk, leaving Bluetooth on these days? We're talking maybe 2 or 3% battery use over several hours. It's a negligible amount for the convenience it offers. Now, if you're streaming music all day long or connecting to a bunch of devices simultaneously, yeah, you'll see a little more drain. The more you use it, the more power it consumes naturally. And if your phone's ancient or doesn't support BLE, that's a different story. Then you might still experience the battery drain of yesteryear. But for most of us with modern smartphones, having Bluetooth on in the background, barely a blip on the radar. Here's some quick tips to optimize your Bluetooth usage. If you want to save every single drop of battery life, turn Bluetooth off completely when you're absolutely not using it. Disconnect devices you don't need. Remove those old pairings that are just cluttering up your device list. And if you can, prioritize using BLE-compatible accessories. They're designed with efficiency in mind, but honestly, don't stress too much. Your phone is designed to handle this. Modern devices are smarter than ever. So, myth busted. We've cracked the code on this one. Bluetooth isn't the battery vampire it used to be. It's evolved into a much more energy-conscious technology. Tech's changed dramatically, and so should your worries about battery drain. Embrace the progress. Got another tech myth you want me to investigate and bust wide open? Drop it in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for tomorrow's deep dive. Is charging your smartphone with a laptop actually better for your battery's long-term health? This is your go-to spot for the real answers and insightful tech analysis. See you next time and stay curious.